Okay guys, let's get straight into it. This is my gorgeous model Rachel. So I'm building up the Tarte Pro Palette Drama color right on the lid and up into the socket. I'm just pressing that with like a fluffy brush and just keep pressing it until you've got your desired color. Next, I'm grabbing a bullet brush with like this bright red Napoleon color. You can use like any sort of pop of color in this socket area. It just really makes it really stand out. Something bright would always be good, and I'm just like patting it through there and trying to build the intensity of the color slowly. And this part's a little bit difficult. It kind of looks a bit funny because it sort of just looks like a big stripe, but then after, as you can see, wow, big stripe. As you can see, after I will blend it out with a different brush. I'm just using a clean brush and blending it out, and I just keep blending until I really can see that I don't have any tide marks. Sometimes, depending on the shadow, it can grab and you get these really bad tide marks. Sometimes it's your shadow, sometimes it's your pressure. Okay, and now I'm using the Inglot 94 gel pot with the Duraline? I don't really know how to say it. And that's like a liquid, and then I'm pressing the pigment 119 to add shimmer over the top. So pretty, I love shimmer. These are the Gemma Isabella lashes. I'm not really sure what name they are because I got them in the like big pack when she first came out with her lashes. And I use the Ardell Black Lash Glue. I know, I just love that one. It's just like, because it's black, it makes the lash line a little bit more black as well. And I'm just popping the NARS foundation on. It's a little bit orange, but I'm going to correct it with my concealer. And I use the NARS Custard Concealer under the eye. It is my favorite at the moment. I have just changed over to it. I just feel like I don't know, the coverage is so good and you don't really have to correct underneath. Sorry, the light changed here. I had the window open. Now it's like quite dark. Natural light is really good for filming, but then at the same time, this happens. Anyways, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is her foundation stick, and sorry, I just walked in front of the camera, whoops. I'm just pressing it on and then I start to buff it out. I pressed it onto both sides because I had way too much product, but I didn't want to waste it. And so I just put it on both sides and then blend it out. And I use that little fluffy brush just because it's easy to move the product softly. And I put a little bit on the jawline, the excess. And now back in front of the camera to the other side. And yeah, just do the same on the other side. Now, you wouldn't have seen this in my Instagram video because I get worried about fallout, so I actually use a tissue and hold it underneath the eye. You can see the lights changed it again. Ugh, so annoying, but whatever. Yeah, hold it under the eye, and this is just the highlight. That's the Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and then the same with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. And I do put a gloss over the top of the liquid lipstick just so it's like hydrated. Otherwise you get your lips and they just crack and it's just terrible. So yeah, gloss always makes the lips look bigger too. I really hope you like this look. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Check out my Instagram and my Facebook, and I will see you next time.